Good morning, dear students. How are you? Yes, I hope you all are fine. Please take good care of your health. And it's time to do some study. So, take out your second term English notebook. And in that notebook, we are writing some spellings. Okay? But along with that spellings, we are learning now cursive A to Z. Okay? Print A to Z capital and small letters. Now we know how to write that. Now we will see how to write cursive. Okay, so let's see how to write cursive A, capital and small a and capital and small b. Okay, so start from your margin line and just like your print letter, you have to write capital A. Okay, and by writing small a, what you have to do? You have to put a tail to that letter. Okay, so like this you have to draw. This is your cursive small alphabet A. So like this we will write again. This is your capital A and you have to write all this in your notebook. And this is your small a. Again see A for apple, A for ant, A for what else? Come on, tell me. A for okay. Now in the next line, write again. At least 5 lines you have to write A and then 5 lines you have to write B. Just like capital alphabet A, you have to write A and then small a. Write again capital A and small a. One more time, capital A and small a. Okay, now in the next line again we have to write capital A and small a. Same at least 4 times in a line and 5 lines like this you have to write for A. Then we will write the next alphabet. So please do the practice of this at home. And A. Okay. Now capital B. Just like our print B, you have to write B. Then by writing small b, now see how to write small b. Start from this blue line and like this loop you have to draw and continuously writing cursive. Don't lift your hand, but just to show you how to write that, I'm doing this. First you have to draw like this and then go upwards till your blue line and then like a tongue here. Okay, but you have to write without lifting your hand. So continuously you will write like this B. Okay, so this is your small alphabet B in cursive. Now onwards we will write cursive ABCD. So this is your small alphabet B. B for ball, B for bat, B for what else? Come on, tell me. B. Okay, one more time we will write B. B for butterfly. So this is your cursive B like this. Again capital B you have to write as it is and small b you have to write in this way. Again one more time, capital B and this is your small b in cursive. B for ball, B for bat, B for butterfly. This is your small b. So you have to do a little bit practice for this. If you are completing your homework in time, you will get it very easily. Okay, only practice is necessary. So please do your homework in time and be with me. जिस दिन मैंने जो होमवर्क दिया है आपको उसी दिन वो कंप्लीट करना है. सी आपको कैसे लिखना है स्मॉल बी, आपको हाथ नहीं उठाना है, आपके ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. गो अपवर्ड्स, ऊपर जाओ, फिर नीचे आओ और फिर ब्लू लाइन तक और फिर ऐसे. ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका कर्सिव का स्मॉल अल्फाबेट बी. इस तरह से आपको आपके बुक में इन योर इंग्लिश सेकेंड टर्म नोटबुक यू हैव टू राइट कर्सिव ए कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल and cursive B capital and small. So please now do this homework and upload it in the given drive. Thank you.